2007 Safari Simba for sale in Montclair, California, 91763. Look at this excellent 38-foot 2007 Safari Simba coach with 29,000 miles. This is a rare find, one of the nicer toy hauler motorhomes made, NON Smoking and NO Pets. With an extended warranty is good for 3 more years and is transferable only 28,000 miles. Lots of features including 300 horsepower Cummins front diesel, 5-speed Allison transmission, Onan 6.0 diesel generator, 50 amp service, 255/70 SR 22.5 Goodyear tires, plenty of miles left on them, 10 garage with hydraulic lift gate, automatic hydraulic leveling, 2 AC units with heat pump in the garage, 2 indoor LCD televisions, 1 exterior LCD TV, King Dome satellite, backup camera and microphone, right and left turn cameras, Pioneer in-dash DVD player, surround sound, double door refrigerator with ice maker, microwave convection oven, 3-burner stove, 20-gallon propane tank, outside barbecue propane quick release port, 3 queen beds, 2 full beds. For additional sleeping there is a leather sofa sleeper and the dinette with booth seating makes into a bed. In the bathroom there is a shower with glass door, sink, vanity and wardrobe closet. The entertainment center has TV antenna booster, DVD, stereo system and a manual point King Dome satellite dish. The kitchen has a 3-burner stove, oven, microwave convection oven, refrigerator freezer with ice maker, double Corian sink and Corian countertops. Day and night shades, tile flooring, beige carpeting and gorgeous maplewood cabinetry add to the striking decor of this amazing coach. Welcome to Select Vehicle Marketing. Visit us anytime at http://www.selectvehiclemarketing.com, the nation's premier marketplace of for sale by owner, private party listings of cars, trucks, RVs, boats, motorcycles, airplanes and all types of motorsports and heavy equipment. Select Vehicle Marketing is the nation's premier private party, for sale by owner advertising agency. Select Vehicle Marketing prides itself on its commitment to meet and exceed our clients' expectations. Select Vehicle Marketing has marketing professionals who are experienced with every aspect of internet marketing and advertising. So if you are asking yourself, how do I sell my car online or how do I sell my RV online? Contact Select Vehicle Marketing, selectvehicle.marketing/F.